Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Art with Aim. Hope all of you are doing good. Friends, today we are going to make a beautiful pom pom yarn rug. If you are new to my channel and if you have not subscribed it, then please subscribe it so you couldn't miss the upcoming videos. So before it's too late, let's start. Take a yarn of any color, simple color or multicolor. I actually used 6 colors to make a rug. Now to roll this yarn on your fingers. Friends, I have also made many videos on beautiful wall hangings and on paper art. You can visit my channel for this. And if you like any video, then please don't forget to subscribe. In order to cut this, you need a nicer and sharp scissors so you could cut it easily. Here it's done. Similarly, I have made many other pom pom of different colors. Now take a waterproof sheet as a rug pad so we could stick those pom poms on it. You could also use any other rug pad. And here our Pom Pom rug is ready. Take a look. It really seems beautiful. Friends, if you really like this Pom Pom rug, then please subscribe my channel. It really means a lot to me. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you friends for watching the video. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Tata.